Hey guys, Dennis here, and today we're going to cut some wood. So a buddy of mine, say hi Josh.
What's going on?
Had a tree taken down in his front yard by the town, and he asked them if they could leave it because he knew I had a sawmill. I think he might have overestimated my sawmill. But in any case, we're going to use the portability feature of this mill today. Finally, what it was designed for. I drove an hour here, hour and a half maybe. Brought the sawmill with me, and we're going to see if we can cut some boards. Alright, so first things first, we got to get this into manageable size here. So I'm going to bust out my chainsaw, and you can see my horrible chainsaw skills while I try not to cut an arm off. Alright. Okay. Alright, this is a heavy one. That actually might be enough. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. She dipped quite a bit. Started off okay.
What was the issue? Did it dive?
Yeah, it dove down. We'll see if turning it helps, because I feel like when it goes in against a flat surface like this, it dives less.
Yeah. It's like walking in the...
Yeah. So the blade dove down quite a bit, and I think this has a lot to do with it. The sawdust just gummed right up on the blade, and I was about to adjust the blade guards to point them down a little bit or up a little bit to kind of compensate, but I think what happened is the buildup was enough to kind of throw off the angle of the blade a little bit. Also, just not having this sawdust clear out of the cut is a big problem. So otherwise, this cut pretty good. Pretty happy with the speed and how well it went through, considering how thick it is. I know that these guides not being movable is still a problem, but version 2 of this, I'll fix that. So another thing I'm going to try that I've heard a couple people suggest is some water and dish soap as a lubricant for the blade. I never really had much luck with any kind of water or fluid or anything. I didn't try diesel, but I never tried soapy water either, so we'll give it a shot. If anything, if it keeps the blade a little bit cleaner, then that'll be a win. If you can't tie a knot, tie a lot.
Want me to take a cup out of that, or just let
well, we'll
drip
see how
out?
much spills on top of the engine.
Perfect spot. It'll keep the engine cool too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Should do something. I don't know if it'll do what we want it to, but we'll see.
Soapy.
A lot better.
Blade wasn't fighting.
No, I mean there was a little bit of resistance, and there's still some stuff you can see. It didn't clear it out all the way. I might actually turn it up a little bit next time. Seems to help. Oh, yikes. That blade is staying a lot cleaner.
get that?
I did.
Ah, son of a...
Something's going on. Yeah, so let that be a lesson to you. Always check your blade, because this one, wah, wah, teeth are backwards. Oh, we gotta flip it. Well, the blade popped off. I don't think it broke, but maybe it broke. This is supposed to be the easy one.
Did it pop off or did it break?
I think it popped off. Oh, let's look. Piece. Pick this one.
Are we even in the wood?
No. But it's probably good, because it probably would have broke if it wasn't the wood. Alright guys, I think we're going to call it a day. Same problems with the saw. It likes to dip and go up and down, and I can't seem to get enough tension on that blade to keep it straight. I have tracking problems when I really tighten it down. I just need bigger wheels. I need at least an inch or inch and a quarter blade, bigger wheels, more tension, and I think it'll be good. But right now I'm just having a hard time. Also, the blades that I bought were the wrong size, so I couldn't use them, so I had to use my old blades, and I didn't really know exactly what condition they are. I thought I had one that was kind of new, but it's still not cutting like it was new, so. Anyway, got a lot of thick stuff that'll make good tabletops, I think. And we did get some other usable boards that will need to be planed down quite a bit, but they'll look nice. Too bad. Really wanted to get more done today, but it was just slow going and it's not great cuts in this oak. I haven't cut red oak on this saw before, and it's worse than the maple. But again, old saw blades, so who knows. So I think I've tortured myself sufficiently with this saw. It's about time for me to start building version 2. Alright, I think we got to clean up now, and there's still a whole tree behind me that Josh's wife is not going to be happy about if we don't move it. So before it gets dark, we got to pick that up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.